Hello everybody, here we go again. Okay, now I'm trying with a Raspberry Pi Zero. Okay, trying to run this temperature sensor, which apparently is very accurate or super accurate. Let me put the sound up. Okay, it's a ds18b20, and it's apparently very accurate temperature sensor. So I just want to try. See, it seems to get busy. I suppose you could put a probe and then put it in different liquid, temperature liquid, or yeah, you probably need a thermostat. Okay, so this is just an experiment. Instead of using the usual, DHT11 or the DHT20, 21, 22, I thought this would be interesting, which is, probably better. Any case, let's see the code. I use what do you call it? A real VNC viewer. So you can actually, you don't have to have another monitors and something else to connect your Raspberry Pi or Raspberry Pi Zero. So I can play here from the computer. That's Tony. Tony is a programmer that you use, and you use Python in this case. And okay, you need to get the library, which is the WL thermosensor, in order to run the ds18b20. And I think if you put one of these with a barometer sensor and a DH11, you can actually have a weather station, and a well-designed weather station actually, because with this one and the barometer, the 280 barometer, take this one. Where did I put it? No, this is not a thermostat. It's a thermostat. No, I got it somewhere. Any case, if you put a barometer on it, then you should be able to have a beautiful, perfect weather station. Yeah. There we are. You have this one. And you have this one. So with this one, no, this is a potentiometer. With this one, you can get the humidity. It's a DH11, but this one hasn't got humidity. Only take a very perfect temperature. So, and with the barometer, you can get pressure, and your pressure. Where's my barometer? I lost it. No, don't have it. I forgot this. got it somewhere. Any case, I'm going to do the next station with this one, the barometer, and this one. Okay, guys, let's go back to the sensor. If you want to get, what am I doing? If you want to get the font larger, there it is. You use this one. I don't have it on my PC, so I got them from online. But if you got it on your directory, you can use the extension. Yeah, .ttf. And I'm at it 15. You can make it, say, maybe make it 10. And let's see what it looks like now. So I press D, and then have a look. There we are, that's small. Go back. You can make it maybe 18. Okay, temperature 20. It's too big. I think the best is probably 16. Yeah. Yeah, no, I think, I still think maybe 14 would be ideal. Doesn't go over the screen. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, there you are, temperature 20 centigrade. And it's okay, thank you very much, guys. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it. Otherwise, yeah, don't do anything. Thank you. Bye.